at the Indiana-Michigan border. So we've arrived at the exact point where Indiana is to my right and Michigan is to my left. And now we begin. Wrapping up day one of Warren Dunes, and I'm tired. So it's the morning of day 2, 20 miles to Benton Harbor. Walking on the road past the nuclear power plant right now. They won't let you walk on the coast, so you have to go around. End of day 2, this is my crib. It's the morning of day 3, I can feel it in my ankles. Michigan is beautiful. Day 3 is done. It's the morning of day 4. I meet Micah today. I can see him. What's up, ladies? So happy right now. Oh my word, Micah. Oh. Made it through South Haven. Let's go. Day 4 is done, and my right ankle is very swollen. It's the morning of the 5th day, and I have to go get a boat over a channel. No trespassing. Alright, cool. I'm not gonna walk in that, because if you're gonna destroy the coastline with your barriers, I'm gonna walk along the top of your barriers. Whee! Oh, I could have been walking on the road this entire time. Oval Beach. As I'm walking up, the first boat is willing to give me a ride across the pier. That was so well done. You're the man. Thank you so much, Dave. It's the end of day 5. My right ankle is very sore. It's day 6. I'm gonna make it to Holland, call my family, and check out the ankle and decide if we can continue, which is frustrating. Oh, my ankle hurts so bad right now, bro. So I got picked up by a boat, the first boat, and they brought me back to the marina, and I'm taking a shower in the marina right now. When he's done cleaning his boat, he's taking me back to the coast. God is good, couldn't have planned this. Clean. So I'm posted up in Holland State Park right now, and my electronics are charging in the ranger station. Yeah, everything's been provided for. 0 day in Holland. It was an amazing day. God provided radically. My ankle's feeling a little better. So tomorrow I hike to Camp Blodgett. Let's go. On my way out of Holland. Let's get it. So I'm hiking down Lakeshore, and I happened to run into a professional runner who invited me back to their house, set me up with a better pair of shoes with more support, and then they bought me new shoes, like new running shoes, and they're sending them to Micah's house with 2-day shipping for free. All right, walking into Camp Blodgett right now. So I'm leaving Camp Blodgett right now. Here we go. Thru-hike populated areas. You thru-hike with coffee. So good. Tape your blisters before they pop. Shuttlecock. Made it to Muskegon. It was a long day. There he is. So I slept at Noah's last night, and now he's dropping me off on the north side of the channel. There he goes. And I'm alone again. Morning Lake. This is so dope. White Lake. Hey, you guys on the boat. I'm hiking the whole coast. Can you guys give me a ride over? First boat that came by too. And I'm good. Woo! God bless you guys. Here we go. I made it to Micah's cottage. Micah's place. Just left Micah's. I got the new kicks. We're going to the bridge, baby! Ran into my old teacher. Incredible. Wow! Woo! It's the morning of day 12, leaving Mary and Tim's house, and the waves are incredible. Off the Silver Lake. So I'm here at the dunes just past Silver Lake, and Dale just agreed to give me a ride in his Jeep. Oh my word. Balance! There's the pier. So I've been welcomed into another home, the Mitchells, Karen and Phil. Showered, have my own bed. Just got dropped off on the other side of the pier, and it is looking rainy out there. That's the Ludington Reservoir, and this is why we had to leave the coast. Met this guy Dave at the marina. Left my pack there, and he's gonna take me over. So I'm just walking to the end of the pier to say that I did it. I'm gonna hop right off. All right. Cool, man. Ludington State Park for a campsite. This is a good spot to stop, and it's not that expensive. And I'll be camping legally, which I advise. But you can also camp illegally. I would also advise that. That's a really good option too. So camp illegally as well. It's a great day. It's not gonna rain. Big Sable Lighthouse, and then Manistee. Let's go. And I got a beer. Cheers. My phone has died. I'm gonna try and get a new one and see what happens. Man, there's this rainbow behind me. What? So I'm in the campground in Manistee. Got all my electronics. First boat again. There we go.
Oh my gosh. So what's the name of your film gonna be?
I think it might be called Middle Coast, because like there's the East Coast, the West Coast, and this is the Middle Coast. So good to meet you guys. Yeah, God bless you. That is the 6th consecutive time that I have had to wait no more than a couple minutes to get a ride. I just want to tell you about the wonder of being alone. You don't have to be anywhere at any time. You just keep moving forward. Do it. Go into the wilderness. So I just got welcomed into another house. They made me a sandwich and gave me chips and pop and just hung out and talked for a little while. And yeah, I think I'm learning to accept people's kindness. This is me all day, bro. Wow. So it's like 9:30. I'm just like 27 miles deep right now, and I'm kind of losing my mind. Only 3.5 more. Just spent the night at the gate at Sleeping Bear, and I'm gonna hike through the park. It's gonna be sweet. Cliff, so I'm gonna cut in here and then go around. I'm just tired today. Yeah, definitely stressed out right now. I just had to turn in early. Slept over there last night. Here we go. I think it's day 18. It's getting deep. Glen Haven. I remember this place. Man, and that point in the distance, that's my mileage halfway point. I need to poop. Erected 1857. Wow, it's older than me. Boosh. Okay, I'm right there. Gotta eat while you walk. My toe really hurts because I think it's bleeding, but I don't care. I'm just kind of like, all right, I'm almost there. So this is Vans Beach in Leland. Just spent the night here. It's not a campground. Llamas. It's a yak meat farm. I need to get 3 days worth of food. I think I have about 1. Just witnessed a car accident right in front of me. Are you all right? Yeah. I'm so sorry. Oh no. Yeah, everyone's good. That was nuts though. The car I just walked up to pulled out in front of the other one. This beach is completely full of Petoskey stones. They're literally everywhere. Like they're just everywhere. This was not anticipated, but there's a bog. Oh, woo! That hurt. I just have to round this corner and I will see the lighthouse from Border to Pinky. Done. Walking out of Leelanau State Park. About to meet my dad and my mom. My dad's gonna hike with me today. It's gonna be cool.
Not bad.
So I'm in Sutton's Bay. Just had dinner with the fam and they just left. I'm gonna go ask this Catholic church and see if they're gonna let me sleep in their yard. It worked. I'm gonna go to bed now. So I'm leaving the Catholic church. Traverse City, boom. Yeah, so good. So the whole power is out of Traverse right now. That's why all these people are in the street. This is so strange. Showers. I'm gonna have to get that done.
It's terrible. It's a terrible shot.
Last night, this girl walks up to me and asks, "Are you Jacob?" She's like, "I've been following your story." I come over and join their family. And I was with them for about half an hour before we all realized that we had been next door neighbors for 5 years, from when I was like 0 to 6. So I'm gonna go over there right now and have some breakfast with them. Here's the crew.
Hey, good morning.
Oh, this is a really, yeah. I just left the state park and I'm hiking to the end of the peninsula where Micah is gonna meet me, get some cool shots, and then he'll take me back to the park and I'll continue up the coast tomorrow. It isn't working how I expected. Let's go. Look at that. South Campground. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you wouldn't happen to be going to the front gate right now, would you? Under the canopy. Oh! I didn't expect this. That one lady, oh, it's gonna, oh my word! This just came down. Oh my goodness, thank you. What's up, you guys?
Where'd this come from?
I made it through the storm in that vehicle. And they just came and gave me a care package. So all this food was just blessed right into my hands. Incredibly blessed. I'm gonna go to bed. This is nuts. I don't think I'm legally supposed to be here. I haven't seen a single no trespassing sign. Homeland Security restricted area. Constituted presence within this area counts as a federal law. Okay, that's real. There's no one here. I'm just gonna do it. I'm doing it. Here I go. I'm going for it. I'm just gonna walk through this dock. Okay, this is really illegal. It is very, very ominous. I think I just broke federal law. Some kind of like beep. Hope that's not me. Yeah, the fence ends. If I have to get my feet wet in exchange for almost like being arrested, I will do that. Holy crap, it's deep. Actually, I'm gonna climb over this fence real quick. It's gonna be awesome. Trespassing, private property. Okay. Yep. I wouldn't advise that. I would go around that one. This is the nuclear power plant. It's about to be getting interesting. Spiderwebs. A big empty field. You gotta see this sign up here. Mackinac Bridge, 50 miles, baby! 50 miles on road. For me, it's gonna be more like 70, but... Made it to Petoskey, so I'm on track to finish by Sunday, which will be exactly 4 weeks. Tunnel of trees, here we go. This is nuts. This is so gorgeous. Had dinner with 4 Lithuanians last night. That was freaking awesome. This is where I get on the North Country Trail. This is so hype. The mosquitoes are intense. I'm getting destroyed. They're freaking terrible. This is really horrendous. Die. Look at this, they're so freaking evil. I've never been that destroyed by bugs before. Woo! Made it. The last full day is now done. August 5, the final day. 12 miles and I'm at the bridge, ready to be done. There it is! Oh, I can see the end! Oh, wait. So here I am on this point, and there's this vicious storm coming in from behind us. So I'm just gonna bomb-proof my pack and then book it all the way there and meet Micah under the bridge. Look at this. Yeah, that's good. It's gonna be a great ending. Final push. Look at that bridge. Here we go. Woo! Now to be done. I've been thinking about this bridge for 4 weeks. Now I'm just looking at her. She's nice. This is nuts. Look at that. Right there. I walked here from Indiana. I'm gonna have to touch the bridge and then I made it. Is it my boy? Ah! Oh my word! There he is! Look at this guy! This is insane! Yeah! Oh my god! Is that linen season? Yeah! Oh my god! Bought you a pie! Woo! Don't you think it's time to come home? Hey, I feel good. I have to touch the bridge though. Not, dude. Whoa, why are you so close?